Evaluate yourself with these questions. How much do you know about linear equation word problems? Question number 1. A 1.8 meter person standing 4 meter from a lamp post casts a 3 meter shadow. How tall is the lamp post? A. 3.6 meter, B. 4.2 meter, C. 4.8 meter, D. 5.4 meter. The correct answer is answer B. Explanation: 1.8 meter divided by 3 meter, which is equals to h over 7. By crisscrossing, finally h is equals to 4.2 meter. Question number 2. The sum of digits of a two-digit number is 11. Reversing digits gives a number 45, less than original. What is the number? A. 38, B. 47, C. 74, D. 83. The correct answer is answer D. Explanation: 10x plus y, which is equals to number x plus y, which is equals to 11. Finally, 10y plus x is equals to 10x plus y. By collecting like terms, the final answer is number 83. Question number 3. $2,500 invested at 4.8% simple interest earns $540 interest. How long was it invested? A. 4 years, B. 4.5 years, C. 5 years, D. 5.5 years. The correct answer is answer B. Explanation: 540, which is equals to 2,500 times 0.048 times t. Finally, t is equals to 4.5 years. Question number 4. A 13-meter ladder leans against a wall with base 5 meter from wall. How high up the wall does it reach? A. 10 meter, B. 12 meter, C. 14 meter, D. 15 meter. The correct answer is answer B. Explanation: under square root 13 the power of 2 minus 5 the power of 2, which is equals to under square root 144, which is 12 meter. Question number 5. In a class, boys ratio girls, which is equals to 5 ratio 3, and there are 24 more boys than girls. What are the total students? A. 64, B. 18, 80, C. 96, D. 112 students. The correct answer is answer C. Explanation: 5k or 5000 minus 3000, which is equals to 24. K is equals to 12. Total 8k, which is equals to 96. Question number 6. A car travels at 60 km per hour. 30 minutes later, another leaves at 80 km per hour. How long after second car starts does it catch the first? A. 1 hour, B. 1.2 hours, C. 1.5 hours, D. 2 hours. The correct answer is answer C. Explanation: 30 km head start, relative speed 20 km per hour. Finally, 30 divided by 20, which is equals to 1.5 hours. Question number 7. A student needs greater than or equals to 85% average on 5 tests. Scores so far 78, 92, 84, 88. Minimum needed on fifths: A. 80, B. 83, C. 85, D. 88. The correct answer is answer B. Explanation: needs 425 total, which is 425 minus 342, finally 83. Question number 8. A ball's height is h is equals to 20t minus 5t square or minutes. When does it reach maximum height? A. 1 second, B. 2 second, C. 3 second, D. 4 second. The correct answer is answer B. Explanation: vertex at t is equals to minus b over 2a, which is equals to 20 divided by 10. Finally, the correct answer is 2 seconds. Question number 9. On a 1:5000 scale map, two towns are 8.4 centimeter apart. Actual distance: A. 2.1 kilometer, B. 4.2 kilometer, C. 6.3 kilometer, D. 8.4 kilometer. The correct answer is answer B. Explanation: 8.4 times 50,000 centimeter, which is equals to 420,000 centimeter, which is changed to kilometer. Finally, we get 4.2 kilometer. The last question, or question number 10. Angle of elevation to top of 40-meter tower is 35 degree. Approximate distance to base. A 50 kilometer, 50 meter. B 57 meter. C 64 meter. D 72 meter. Tan 35 degree is which is given, which is equals to approximately 0.7002. The correct answer is answer B. Explanation: D is equals to 40 over tan 35 degree, which approximately 40 divided by 0.7002, which is equals to 57.1 meter, which is finally 57 meter is the correct answer. Thank you for your attention. My name is Wandasan Worku. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe our channel. Thank you again for your attention.